I teach grades 2 through 8, and I teach using the Go Math series and the Big Ideas using individualized instruction in my classroom. It takes a couple of months at the beginning of the year to establish good routines so the students can work well on their own. This video shows my classroom during math instruction. All right, we're going to start with 11.1. Can you please read to me the essential question?
We are starting with the essential question, which is at the beginning of every lesson.
All right. Before we get started on that, what is a three-dimensional shape? Is this a three-dimensional shape?
Nope. It's just a flat.
Let's look at the next picture.
I always start with the youngest grade first because they need the most support, particularly first and second grade. While I'm working with the second grade, the other students are completing their morning work, which includes handwriting practice and their daily oral language assignment.
All right, so why don't you go ahead and draw this?
All right.
Excellent job. Very observant. Great. All right, let's go to the next page. Let me give you a star. You did a good job. Okay. Next we have vocabulary words. Do you see them in yellow?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go through the vocabulary words. Now, what happens when there are vocabulary
I always make sure that I point out the vocabulary and review it with the students so they are familiar with the words they need to know. Also, so they can learn to use them when they're talking and writing about math. The students write these words in their journal, along with the meaning and an example, in their words, in a way they remember and can understand.
What do you notice about a cube?
It has all squares.
Right.
They're all the same.
Every single side is the same. Wonderful.
You may notice the students reading in the background. They're completing reading assignments and are also enjoying independent reading. However, there are no interruptions while the math lesson is being taught.
And then on all the other sides as well. Good. What does this next one say? It's kind of a
sphere.
You're close. It's sphere. Okay. Does this look the same in the picture?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Each lesson is divided into 4 sections. Part 1, the engage. Part 2, teach and talk. Part 3, practice. And Part 4, summarize. With the lower grades, I make sure to complete Parts 1 and 2. The students then complete the share and show section of Part 3. I check it before they go to their seats to complete the on your own portion of Part 3. The following day we complete Part 4, the summarize section, before we begin our next lesson.
Same name, huh? All right, let's read the question they have for you.
So, which of these objects has the shape of a cube?
Okay, which one?
This one.
Oh, definitely. What is that?
It's a cube.
It's a block, yes. All right, excellent. Now what I want you to do is before you get started on your assignment, please write your vocabulary words in your math journal so you can go back and study. And also, I will show you how to draw a cube. This is a kind of a tricky thing. So what you need to do is draw a square and then another one right on top of it. And then join all of the edges. Do you think you can try that quickly? You can do that in your book?
This completes the second grade lesson. I then take a quick look at my classroom to see which grade is ready for their math lesson or assignment. And then I call them to the table to get started.
Excellent. Good job. I think you'll have no problem. All right. Let me go back to your seat. Thank you.